Yesterday we have discussed about the some on JDK feature like static and default methods, and we have also seen about what is meant by upcasting, and we have seen an example for upcasting, and also about interface, how the interface will be implemented using classes, etc. etc. We have seen yesterday, and static and default methods also. So today we are seeing another topic, from the JDK future main future, nothing but second future. There is nothing but functional interface. Functional interface. Interface. Okay, is clear? Okay. Main topic is functional interface. And some, what do you mean by functional interface? We are discussing today about what do you mean by functional interface and how it can be implemented by using. We can implement it from functional interface with different methods. Let's see the different methods, and we have seen one example for that method. Okay, let's get the clarity about the functional interface. First of all, functional interface is nothing but it is allowed to only one abstract method. One abstract method. Abstract method, only one abstract method functional interface can be implemented. So functional interface is defined by only one abstract method. We have known about the abstract method. Abstract method is nothing but a method which does not consist of any body, nothing but abstract method. So, for example, I have taken one interface, interface, some ABC, some ABC interface into that closing and open brackets, flower brackets. Now we are declaring one method void, void some M1 method I have declared. It is nothing but one abstract method without body, and I have declaring one another abstract method, empty method. This is interface, right? So it can allow only abstract methods. So it is correct. Syntax is correct. If just a minute. This is interface, so it is fine. If we use functional interface, that means we can use functional interface must be defined by using the on annotation like main at the rate functional interface annotation. Functional functional interface. Functional separate functional interface annotation I have seen. This is the capital letter and this is the small letter. This is the cabinet. By declaring at the rate function interface, so the method will be inside the class. The class will be the inside under the at the rate function interface. So it is the functional interface, one of the JDK features. So it will allow only one abstract method, right? So it's getting error. It is getting is getting error. So functional interface can be implemented nothing but it consists of only one abstract method. It will allow only one abstract method, and it will allow number of many number of static and default methods. Static and default default methods. But it will allow only one abstract method only. First point. Second point is it will allow many number of static and default methods. Third point is functional interface can be defined by using the annotation like at the rate functional interface. These 3 points are very important, and also yeah, how okay we can implement the functional interface in many ways. we can implement the functional interface in many ways. We know in many ways, mainly four ways. Anyways, first one is we using class, and the second one is using anonymous, anonymous class, and the third one, by using function, lambda expression, or lambda function, lambda expression, and fourth one is method reference, method reference. These four methods are very important to implement any functional interface. So, functional interface, you know, functional interface implements in many ways. This is very important. First of all, we have to see about using class. First one, using class. Okay. Using class means nothing but we are taking another extra class and we are implementing the what it is interface, right? Interface, we have method name ABC. We are implementing this method, we are implementing the class ABC, and we are implementing the method M1 method. We will write the body for that by using extra class. Using anonymous class is nothing but we will declare another class, nothing but extra class or extra method inside the main method only. By using lambda expression also inside the main method, but it is the shorthand form. And method reference also, it is a very shorthand of the lambda expression. Nothing but by using scope resolution symbol or scope resolution symbol, double colon. By using double colon, we will write inside the main method, and we are declaring on that main method only. We are printing. Okay, we are returning. Very good. First of all, we have to see about using class. I'm taking first of all one interface, like interface test. Inside that, I am opening flower brackets. I am closing flower brackets, and inside that, I am declaring one method. Void M1 method. Some M1 method. Okay, we'll take some methods. I'm declaring one abstract method. After that, I said, using class means we are taking another extra class. So I'm taking another extra class, class some demo can be implements, can be implements test. That means it can be demo external class, nothing but another class will be implements this test case, and we will write the logic for we are calling this implement at nothing but abstract method, and we are writing the logic for that. So we are opening the curly braces, and we are calling that method by using public void what method, function method. Okay, I'm declaring, I'm writing one, system dot out dot println what method I'm printing fun methods, some fun, like that. I'm implementing this, and then I close this, and then I close. After that, declaring the main method, right? Because the execution will be start in the main method only. That's why we are declaring the main method. So from the class main method, the other inside that we are writing, some public static void me, public static void main, some string args. Also, I can now We are creating one object for the implemented class, and we can create one object for the implemented class, and then we can printing by using the creating of object for the implemented class. So we can create the by using upcasting concept. We are creating for the implemented class. Upcasting is nothing but we are taking the object reference for the implemented class, and also we are taking the parent reference for our creation of objects. So I'm creating one object for the implemented class by using new, and then implemented class name is nothing but demo. So new demo, like that we are declaring, and the new demo equals to I'm taking the I'm taking the uh, taking the parent class reference, some interface test means taking test some references test, and I'm taking on reference testing. So that's why I'm creating an object for the implemented class demo, and then I'm creating the reference for the parent class, nothing but upcasting concept. Upcasting is nothing but upcasting. And then we are accessing by using the only like only by using the object reference we are accessing that, and we can printing by using the object reference only. So object reference is t dot what method we have the fun method, right? So inside the implemented class we have what method, we have fun method. So t dot fun method we have, like that we are implementing on the inside that, or like that. Like the first example is over. Means I have seen once more. Okay. First of all, I have taken one class, and inside the class we have taken one method that is nothing but one abstract method, and that abstract method can be implemented. I have taken another class that is demo class. The abstract method can be implemented by using the demo class. That means that the abstract method class is implemented by using demo class. Inside that, I calling that abstract method, and I have written the body for that. And I have taken the main class. Inside the main class, we are creating the object. After the creating, we are accessing that object reference to the abstract method. So, so it will be printed the abstract method out. This is the by using class. So we are using one extra class, that is the implementation of functional interface by using class. If we this extra class is okay, good, but not good, because an extra class will be taken many features like need more space and more complexity. So to decrease for that, we using the anonymous class. Anonymous class. Second one concept, anonymous, using anonymous, anonymous, anonymous class. Nothing but we are writing the like I have taken this example. Just a minute. Taking this example as one of the example for the anonymous example. After that, I'm printing like this one. Okay. Okay. The using anonymous class means nothing but we are not declaring on extra class. That means we have to remove this extra class. I'm removing this extra class. Okay. And I'm doing this also. After that, this will be this. I'm taking this method, public method void function in system out of println, like that. I'm taking, and I have removed this method also. And I have said that using anonymous class, we will declare the abstract method inside the object only. So that's why I have taken this. After that, I have taken like that. And then after that, some more section is over, right? Okay. I have removed this also. So, so we are taking the main method. Inside the main method, public static void machine as usual for printing purpose, and we are declaring on object that is new demo. Okay, new demo is not there, right? That's why I'm taking this. Okay. After that, we have taken what function 300. That's why I have taken function, and then we have the abstract method name. So I have taken the I am creating the abstract method object, and I am taking the reference as the class name, and then after that we are opening braces and then closing braces. After that we are writing this. We are declaring the public void function. That means we are again calling that public void function, and after that uh, after calling we are printing this. So this is the by using anonymous class. Nothing but without implementing the extra class, we are declaring inside the main method only. So what this means we are taking a interface test. After that, we are creating one abstract method inside the interface, and that abstract method can be implemented by using class name. So I have in previous I have implementing using on extra class by using implements demo. That is the demo class. Inside that I called the abstract method, and then I written the body for that. After that I will access in the main class by creating the extra class object and taking the reference of the parent class, and I'm accessing the extra class by using the object reference t dot, and what method abstract method I have taken. So I'm accessing the abstract method, right? So I will take the t dot function. But in this example, I have taken one interface. Inside that same inside that I have taken one abstract method, like without body function. That body will be implemented by using class, right? So I am implementing this method, abstract method inside the main class. So I have taken public static void main string class, and I have taken one main class. Inside that I create one object for the abstract method, some new function, and we are taking the reference as that class only, some test equal to. And after that I have taken on open curly braces, and then I have declared, that means I am calling that abstract method. Nothing but what concept this is void function, right? So nothing but abstract method. We are calling that abstract method. We are call back the abstract method by and create and giving the coding for that. So after creating of that object inside that, it will be automatically executed. So we get the output, and after that that we are calling the function some accessing that, right? So t is the reference. After that, what function? T function, like that. Like that, it will be printed. So it will comes under the function, and we are calling t dot reference dot function. So it will be function method will be executed. So we get the output as function out, like that, without implementing any extra class, or without taking any class extra class, and we can implementing the abstract method inside the function interface. We are taking the on abstract method without any taking the extra class. We are accessing that abstract method inside the main class by using anonymous class, and this is a very lengthy process, right? So test we are creating one object, after the creating, and we are calling the function, void function, nothing but abstract method again and again. Like that, it is not good. So, for that purpose, to decrease the complexity, for that purpose, an extra method will be added, like, it's nothing but lambda expression. This is the shorthand method. After using anonymous class, we use the lambda expression. And after that, the shorthand method of the lambda expression is nothing but method reference. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about the lambda expression and method reference. Thank you.